Okay, it's on.
Okay. Yeah. Put a little more since the coffee absorbs some of the water. Okay. A cup. Okay. 4 scoops. And come closer. Come closer, babe. There. My mistake. 2, 3, 4. We could do 5. That's fine. Don't worry about the coffee there. And then the on button. You can turn it off for a second. Oh, there it is. Okay. Nice.
Aloha everyone. Say, I'm doing a review of this KRUPS coffee maker. Now, it has different parts, like this comes up, it's got a little tab on it. This is the bottom plate. And then this is the upper plate that you would use with the carafe. It's elevated, so you just slide it in there. Now the coffee and water, water's already in there. Here's a little holder for the coffee basket. Here's the coffee basket with fresh ground coffee in it. Put that in there, close the lid. Oops. Oh, has to set it down. There you go. Close the lid and just press the button. It comes with a little carafe. Put the lid on that. And this says 3 cups. Now that's normal cups of coffee, not the big cups of coffee I drink. So you just slide that under there and the coffee will start to brew in just a minute. It comes with this very nice KRUPS stainless steel double-walled travel mug. Now I've been using this in my car and it's great. Forget Starbucks. The lid just screws on and it has this open and close. Let me take a sip. Nothing like fresh ground coffee. I grind my coffee almost every day. I should do it every day, but sometimes I have some left over from the day before. Now this coffee machine will brew you a very nice cup of coffee, and it's a lot less waste than those K-cup pods or whatever they're called. I was using those, but I mean it was a lot of waste, a lot of hassle, and the coffee never tasted good. I like strong coffee, and this is coming along. It's brewing very well. If you want to use the mug and brew right into that, you would take the lid off and then remove this part, the elevated part, and just slide it under there. So usually what I do in the mornings is I'll make my first cups here and then brew a second set in here. That way I'm done with making coffee for breakfast anyway. And like I said, this keeps it really hot for a long time. So I really like that. And then if I'm ready to go, I just grab it and head out the door. Well, as you can see, it's brewing very nice. Nothing like the fresh smell of coffee. Okay, here's hoping you have many good cups of coffee, and ground fresh is the best. I hope this helps. You have a great morning. Your friend in Hawaii, sincerely, Charlie.